So it's the blood that takes oxygen from the lungs to the brain, to the heart, to the other parts of the body where they need it. So oxygen, without the cardiovascular system, even if the lungs are working perfectly, the oxygen gets into the lungs, but it doesn't go anywhere from there. So you know that you're not going to do much, you're not going to have much progress if you don't deal that. All right, so obviously is the cardiovascular system, because without the blood, the heart pumping and the blood vessels, the arteries and veins, taking blood with oxygen from the lungs to the brain, to the heart, to the kidneys, wherever, you would be dead. So the cardiovascular system is important in that regard. A quick one thing I want to point to, remember when we talked about how if there's a problem with the lungs, you will know very quickly? Well, you don't know as quickly with the heart. That's why sometimes hypertension or other conditions like hypertension and diabetes are called the silent killers, because you really don't know how it's affecting your body until it's really too late. So it's super important that you pay special care and attention to your cardiovascular system. I'm going to run through a few other things. Nutrients, glucose, proteins, fatty acids, amino acids, and so on and so forth, antioxidants. They cannot get to the parts of the body where they need them, including the immune system, if the cardiovascular system is not working. So it's very important. The third reason why the cardiovascular system is so important is because you also have to get rid of waste products. Your body, when it's doing its regular activities of the day, it produces carbon dioxide and other waste products from the nutrients that it burns. These need to be taken out of the body, either through the lungs, to the gut, through the kidneys, and through the skin. They have to be removed. If they are not removed, then they tend to accumulate in the body. And of course, you know what happens when things accumulate. Things that are bad accumulate. They tend to cause problems. So those are the three main things. Now, there are other things as well, but those are the primary reasons why the cardiovascular system has to be paid attention to: the oxygen, the nutrients, and the removal of toxins.